It bogged down a little bit. Welcome back, everyone. Today we have a 2022 Ford Mustang GT on our channel. This is a 6-speed manual. I want to say a big thank you to Sheehy Nissan of Manassas in Virginia for providing me this car, and especially Christian and Drew. I will attach all their information down below, so reach out to Christian if you're looking for a car. As always, we're going to check out the exterior, interior, take it for a quick test drive, and I'll share my impressions with you. And we'll try to do some 0 to 60 Dragy tests as well. Let's fire her up. I gotta say, this is a beautiful color. Looks really brutal, attractive. This is a nice Mustang. It's only got 5-something thousand miles, like 5,800 miles. Pretty much a new car. Look at that. Isn't it nice? Wow. This is actually quite a decent sized trunk, so you can fit a few suitcases in there. Alrighty. Let's look at that beautiful engine. Alrighty. Well, you look at that. Well, as far as interior features, there's really nothing to talk about here. It does take some effort to reach the seat belt. We got an automatic slider for the seat, up and down as well, but you got to adjust the back of your seat manually. The materials here are good enough. They are, you know, soft. This looks good, but they are to the more basic side. So everything here is very, like, you know, basic, what you'd find in a Ford Focus. We got our glove box. Let's do the wipers and do the horn test. Good horn. All right, let's get going. That sounds amazing. The infotainment here is super basic, like as basic as it can get. It's like a Nokia phone from 2003. There is a little bit of drone here on the inside, but it is expected because this is a custom exhaust. But it's only in certain RPMs, it's not constant. That was close. This sounds so nice. Your neighbors will absolutely hate you. When you drive in this car to your neighbors, they will hate you so much. But it sounds beautiful, nevertheless. Let's look at the AC. Okay, so this is how you set the AC. Okay. Okay, finally, okay, it's blowing cold air. Cool. The seats do feel good, although the headrest is a little bit too close to my head. Gets people's attention right up. Got an M5 right there. The downshift sound. It's so good. The way it rides, it's honestly so good. There's lots of torque, lots of power. And it's actually got quite a comfortable ride. This is comfier than, per se, an RS5 actually, which is very surprising. You do sit very low to the ground. You're like on the ground. But this sound is fantastic. I love this exhaust. I'll have to figure out what kind of exhaust this is because it sounds magnificent. This is probably the best sounding exhaust that I've seen on a 5.0 so far, in my opinion. There isn't as much pull at 3,000, but after 4,000 it gets so good. You don't really feel speed too much on it. The safety system coming on. It handles well, holds the road nicely. Darn, that CRV is hustling somewhere. Let's look at the Dragy. I don't think we'll fit in. A lot of false positives. So let's make a U-turn here and check out the time on the 0 to 60. See what we can do. I am genuinely curious what it can do. All right, let's come to a stop here and reset the Dragy and do the test. All right, reset. It bogged down a little bit. Alrighty, so let's see the results. So we did 0 to 60 in 5.9 seconds, but the car started to roll a bit, and then it says 9.48. We will try that one more time. Because I know we can do better. But so far, I've been really enjoying this experience. Personally, myself, if I was looking at a car like this and I had to choose, I would probably do a 10-speed. It's just easier to do for daily driving than a manual. But this is more fun around, per se, like a mountain road. like the way it feels on the highway. It's very smooth, very good. Very nice. I also like the handling here. It's good, solid, very planted. It feels great. The seats are fairly comfortable. They are a little bit to the tighter side, but not bad. Not bad at all. Good passing power. Whoa. I don't know what that Toyota was doing, but it sure didn't look good. Alrighty. Alright, let's give this one more shot, shall we? Alrighty, let's go out here one more time and give this one more shot, shall we? Whoa. Alrighty. So what did we do? We did a 5.78 verified, and then 1/8 mile came at 9.3. For some reason my Dragy isn't even recording the time here, but it said 5.78. We did have a little bit of wheel spin, so that is the only thing. That is a minus. Let's do this one more time. Do this one more time. Reset. Let's see what we got. So this time 0 to 60 came at 6.23. Yeah, it's hard. It's hard to do it on the manuals. Anyways, folks, I gotta say I like this car. I really enjoyed it. Feels great. Really good sports car. Comfy. I'll recommend it. It is good. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to smash that like and subscribe button, and till next time.